Contractor truth, unpacking change orders and punch list for homeowners. The silent project killers. Understanding scope creep. Most construction projects don't fail because of bad contractors, they fail because homeowners don't understand two documents. That's why today we are decoding them for you, so you don't lose control of your project. The budget shock. This is the moment most homeowners aren't prepared for. The renovation that started at $75,000 suddenly costs $120,000. And it feels like it happened overnight. The reaction is almost always the same: shock, frustration, sometimes even distrust. But here's the hard truth: most of the time, it didn't happen suddenly. It feels sudden because the changes were small at first. A fixture upgrade here, a layout tweak there, an added outlet, a better tile. Individually, minor; collectively, expensive. This phrase is responsible for thousands of dollars in unexpected cost. While we're already opening this wall, while we're already replacing cabinets, while we're already redoing plumbing, each addition expands the scope. Mid-project design upgrades are one of the biggest budget accelerators. Upgrading countertops, switching flooring material, changing lighting plans. These aren't just material swaps. They affect labor, schedule, coordination, and sometimes inspections. Then there are hidden conditions. Things no one could see before demolition. Rot behind walls, improper framing, electrical that won't pass inspection. These aren't optional fixes, they're mandatory corrections. What is scope? Scope is the boundary of your project. What's included, what's excluded, what materials are specified, what labor is required. If it's not defined, it's flexible. Your first layer of protection doesn't start during construction. It starts before demolition ever begins. Clear scope, clear allowances, clear process for change orders. Most budget shock happens because this groundwork wasn't solid. Scope doesn't expand on its own. People expand it, and if you understand that, you stay in control of your project. Make sure to like and subscribe to Fort Wayne Builds GC for more contractor truths. Up next, part 2: decoding the change order.